we see a big challenge when we go with eMaint was that we have now the possibility to create standards around the world. So before we have 45 different kind of installations in the factory, so on a server base. So this was, every factory has its own CMMS software. It was just from one company, but they have their own installation. So that means when they had to do an update, it was just for the one factory. So we have to pay for the 44 factories more when they would like to have it.
We of course had several challenges. The first one is that the factories has been using the other CMMS for many years. So that requires a lot of change management. Let's put the example Schweinfurt, they was 35 years. Factories like Flowery Branch in USA, more than 20 something years working with the old CMMS. So we have more than 45 factories using the other CMMS. And I think that the change management was a challenge for us because we need to change that. And the other challenge was to integrate everything in one place.
First of all, we have created a Golden Master template. In this Golden Master templates, we have integrate all the standards. We have integrate everything from the master data, what is needed there. And so that means when we go now in another factory, roll out in a second or third or 30th factory, they have to use the same template. So it has to be the same there. And then we are sure we have the possibility to found everything then in the program later. When it comes for the Golden Master template, nobody tells us this is not possible. This is just a wish from you or something else. They said, give us time, we prepare that. So, and this was grateful.
It's easy to say, no? But integrating everything in one platform, having all the factories in one place was one of the goals. But on the other hand, was a big challenge.
And there we see now the solution that we can standardize work around the world. For example, we create failure codes. It's now standardized failure codes around the world. Everybody has to use the same failure codes. Why we have done this? So that we can make a statistic. So in which company or which factory is using the most, I don't know, what is the critical points on the assets, for example. Another point was what we have created standard for naming convention. When it comes for what we have channel as an area where we produce bearings. So that means a bundle of machines that can be then a channel. So that means we have a naming convention that everybody can name his channel as he wants. So there's now the solution that it has to be CH minus and a number. So then we have a naming convention for the machine description. So this is now globally done. We have the asset tree, it's globally done. They have to have a look in every factory the same.
We are thinking on integrating with GoPlant, integrating with the Cardex, integrating with SAP, with different platforms that we think that can give to the maintenance people better results, working easier, being more predictable. That is the intention with eMaint in the future.